Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita. I'm back with another video. So in this video, guys, I want to talk about Lockbox. So I had a client ask me about this and ask me if it's a good idea, if they should actually get this while they're in the process of building their credit. But it's a savings account. And with this savings account, to me, it's very similar to say like a self-builder account, which is you can actually turn that one into a credit card. But with this one, it's just a savings account. After you make so many payments onto it, then it's going to unlock. And they're going to report to all three credit bureaus. So let me kind of break that down to you. So when you guys sign up for this account, you're going to have a set amount that you guys are going to start paying. So, you can say how much you want to pay on it. They're going to report to the credit bureaus. They're going to report to credit bureaus for a year. And this is the thing, they're not going to report to all three credit bureaus. So that's one thing I don't like. They're not going to report to all three credit bureaus. You can save with this. You can save with it and you can unlock it. But if you want to unlock it into your own account, it's going to cost you $40. So you have to pay $40 just to get this unlocked into your own account. So that's kind of like one of the downsides that I don't like about a few of the downsides. They don't report to all three credit bureaus and you got to pay $40 for it to unlock into your own account. So if you guys were thinking about this account, maybe you guys want to get into a self account. I talk to you guys about self all the time. Self is actually, one thing I like about self is there's no hard pull at all. Automatic payments. So they're going to take the money directly out of your account. Lockbox does that also, but it's just other features. You can track your credit score with self. And then they'll report to all three credit bureaus, TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. So, even though this one reports to Equifax and Experian, I still want them to report to all three. TransUnion is very important. They need to report to TransUnion. I'm always making videos on companies that only pull a TransUnion. And if you're not having anything report to TransUnion, it's going to hurt you. So you can cancel this at any time too, minus any interest and fees. And usually if you guys go all the way through with this account, you guys should see a great increase in your credit score. I told you guys when I first got this account, I started paying the $48 per month. Let me show you the different plans they have. So you can pay $25 per month, $35, $48, or $150. I started off with the $48 per month. And then I was paying on that for 12 months. And then after I finished paying on it, they put that money directly into my account, which I really love. They just put it directly into my account. That way I don't have to figure out, where do I want to get the money sent to? Like with them, you can unlock it and you can put it in different places. You can put it in your stash account, or you can just get it put into just your regular account. But with this one, they just automatically put it into your account. Now, if you do $48 or $150, it's going to be 12 months. You're going to pay on it for 12 months. If you go down to $35 or if you go down to $25, you're going to be paying on that for 24 months or 2 years. So 1 year for $48 or $150. And then if you go to $35 or $25, you're looking on paying that for 2 years or 24 months. So that's something that you guys definitely have to think about. I usually tell people, try to do it for just a year. 2 years to me is just pushing it, especially if you're looking to build your credit, because after a while, your credit can be all the way built up in a year, after starting, getting the accounts removed from your credit report, especially for the people that's inside my exclusive membership. I don't think that you guys should really get this for more than a year. But definitely, I really suggest you guys sign up for self. I'll make sure I have the link down below. And when it comes down to self, you guys, I just paid off my last self that I had. I just paid it off and I think they gave me my money back in October. I haven't started up a new one. I haven't started up a new one yet. But you guys, I highly suggest it. I think I did it like 3 times so far. I just keep getting it and getting it and getting it. But it's a great way for you guys to save, especially if you guys are doing like my saving challenges. You can kind of bank on this being your money for your saving challenge. So maybe I should make something for self in my saving challenges so you guys can sign up for it. But yeah, you guys, that's everything when it comes down to self. If you guys are still interested in this account, you can definitely sign up for it. All you have to do is just go to their website and then you can sign up for it. And if you guys have any questions, like I said, drop it down in the comments. I'll make sure I make a video if you need me to make a video, or if you just have a simple question, I'll answer that question for you. And don't forget, you guys, sign up for the exclusive membership if you guys need to get negative accounts removed from your credit reports. And I'll see you guys in the next video. There's so many people out there with debt. So much debt, you guys, that they can't even get a car, they can't get a mortgage, they can't even get a credit card. Like, I mean, a $200 credit card. Some people can't even get a secure credit card. So that's why I created my exclusive credit membership, and it's only $1, you guys. So my exclusive credit membership, you guys will actually get the letters to delete bankruptcies, charge off, repossessions, any negative account that you have in your credit reports. I have the letter so you guys can get that deleted. But guess what? Just because you guys are a part of my exclusive membership, you can get all those letters. But say if you don't want to do all that work, I have it so that you guys can get free credit repair. So that means I will actually start working to help you remove these accounts from your credit reports. And look right here, look all the results that my clients are getting. So definitely remember, you guys can join my exclusive membership for just $1. And I'll have that link down below. Or you guys can text SCORE 21,000 and you guys will have that link. So I'll see you guys in my exclusive membership.